how to create a Paypenny account. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up the app. Now once you have the app open, it's going to ask either to log in or sign up. You can create an account using your mobile phone number by choosing your country code and entering your mobile number, or you can continue with Apple and just create an account by using your Apple ID. Here it's going to ask again for your mobile phone number. You have to verify it, so choose your country and then type out your number. Once you have received your number or the code that you input, after you receive a message, enter the code, then you have to create an MPIN. So here type an MPIN, and once you have it, you will click on set. Here you will need to create a 6-digit transaction PIN. You can also enable Face ID if your phone supports it, so just click on the option. And you can also apply a referral code if you have one. Skip our area vulnerable customer here. I'm just going to click on no. And here you can enter your details. That's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.